Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Grace begins in the garden. Let your Scabiosa, Pincushion Flower, bloom like a living dream. The Scabiosa, lovingly known as the Pincushion Flower, is one of those blossoms that feels both nostalgic and new. A flower that seems painted by nature's softest brush. For gardeners across the USA, it's an easy-to-grow perennial and annual favourite that rewards attention with long-lasting blooms, velvety petals, and a gentle sway that invites butterflies and bees alike. Whether you're a beginner gardener or a seasonal grower, understanding how to care for Scabiosa, Pincushion Flower, transforms an ordinary garden into a display of texture, elegance, and colour. To grow Scabiosa successfully, the journey begins with light. These flowers crave sunshine, preferring full sun exposure for at least 6 hours daily. In regions with hotter summers, partial afternoon shade helps protect them from scorching rays while maintaining vibrant colour. The key to happy blooms lies in the soil, light, well-draining and rich with organic matter. Sandy loam is ideal. Scabiosa detests soggy roots, so amending your soil with compost or perlite ensures air reaches its roots, promoting healthy and steady growth. Temperature plays a gentle role in their rhythm. Scabiosa loves the moderate warmth between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold, hardy varieties can survive cooler nights, while others appreciate protection during frost. In USDA zones 3 to 7, these plants can thrive as perennials, while in warmer climates, they may act as semi-perennial or annual charmers, blooming spring through fall. Watering your Scabiosa, Pincushion Flower, is an art of balance. Never too dry, never too drenched. Deep watering once or twice weekly keeps the roots hydrated and strong. Always allow the top inch of soil to dry before watering again. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common misstep among beginners. If you notice yellowing leaves or soft stems, it's a call to reduce moisture. Use mulch around the base to retain hydration and regulate soil temperature naturally. For lush, consistent growth, fertilize your Scabiosa every 4 to 6 weeks during the blooming season. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer or a diluted liquid feed. 10-10-10 ratio works perfectly. Avoid overfeeding. It can produce excessive foliage with fewer flowers. Deadheading, the gentle art of removing spent blooms, keeps your plant in continuous motion, encouraging new buds and extending the life of the display. Prune back at season's end to tidy its shape and prepare it for the next burst of energy. Even the most charming blooms face a few hurdles. Common challenges include powdery mildew, aphids, and slugs. The easiest solutions are natural. Improve air circulation, use neem oil sprays, and keep the area clear of damp debris. A light misting of diluted dish soap water deters pests without harming the plant. For fungal issues, space plants adequately to prevent overcrowding and ensure good airflow between them. What makes Scabiosa stand out beyond beauty is its pollinator appeal. The pincushion-like centre attracts bees and butterflies effortlessly, turning your garden into a humming, living space of colour and motion. They mix beautifully with Shasta daisies, lavender, and echinacea, creating balanced multi-season displays that transform your yard into a painter's dream. For container gardeners, Scabiosa thrives too. Choose a medium-sized pot with excellent drainage, fill it with a light soil mix, and place it where sunlight reigns most of the day. Its compact roots make it an ideal patio companion, blooming happily in decorative pots and small garden corners. And here's a gentle reminder, nature doesn't rush, and neither should you. With care, patience, and the right conditions, your Scabiosa, Pincushion Flower, will repay you with months of dazzling blooms that dance gracefully in the breeze. Every petal reminds us that beauty blooms best when nurtured with love and understanding. So, if your heart finds joy in colour and calm in nature, Scabiosa is your perfect beginning. Grow it, Nurture it and watch your garden come alive in the rhythm of soft petals and sweet scents. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.